Okay, a couple quick lessons, learning bass D and learning bass C. Here we go, bass D, the third line, and here's middle C. Here's bass D. Middle C, way down over yonder, bass D. They want our third finger on that D, like so. Let's play it, 1, 2, ready, go. Hey, diddle, diddle, repeat. D's in the middle. D is very easy for me. Right? That's probably the easiest lesson in the book. Now let's move over to learning bass C. Bass C, 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 D, 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 C, 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 D, D, D. And now third finger on C. And ready, go. C, C, D, C, D, C, D, C, D, C, 2, 3, 4, fifth finger on G, G, F, E, D, F, E, D, C, E, D, and 2 C's. That's both pages.